Hey, in this video we're going to be discussing the Ryobi Expanded Cultivator or Tiller attachment for the brushless trimmer system I have. Hey, if you like this kind of content, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey YouTube, this is Robert from Sherburne Outdoors. Hey, we're doing a new video today. Been doing a lot of Ryobi videos recently. Getting ready to start doing a bunch of plants. I've got a bunch of beds that really need, if we look here and here and here, got a bunch of beds that need to have a bunch of work done to them. And traditionally in the past I used a little bitty 18 volt Ryobi, kind of a tiller thing. It did okay, but I was wanting something a little bit more manly, and I had bought in the brushless trimmer that I did a video on, and I bought the edge attachment, and I really wanted to get this, they call it a cultivator or it's a tiller attachment. And I want to be able to go in there and really churn up those beds and actually add some amendments such as compost and additional garden soil. And I wanted to do it really quick. So these 40 volt tools, I am just ecstatic at how fast they're going. So hey, this is pretty good. So far I ordered this online, picked it up curbside. It's about $139. So I've actually got quite a bit of investment between the $200 that I spent on the brushless system, another, I think, what, $140 for the edger, and now another $139 for this. So looking forward to this. We got 3 beds. We're kind of going to go through it. But first things first, let's do an unboxing, see what comes inside of this. I'm praying this thing's put together. It looks pretty beefy. It's about 13.5 pounds. So you'll need to kind of support this a little bit when we put it on the weed eater, but let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we've got our brushless adapter we're going to have here. Got a nice 5 amp hour 40 volt battery. Again, this is just a tool only. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open and see what's inside of it. This thing's taped on like I don't know what, actually. It's pretty beefy. All right. We look here. Got some of this. Got some more of that. Some instructions. Oh no. We're gonna have to put it together. Oh, it looks like we got a handle unit. And then we got, okay, so we got a unit here, and we're gonna have to put the tongs on it. Maybe it won't be that bad. So far, we'll see. I might even have to pull out the directions. All right, so let's pull out the top piece here. No, I guess I could have pulled it out the bottom. Alright, so that seems to be the box. Let's go down here just a little bit. Alright, let's open this guy up. I was really hoping this thing was going to be put together. Although I don't think it looks that bad. Okay, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Might actually have to read the directions on this one. Okay, all in all, just read the directions. This isn't too bad. We basically have 4 of these. We had to put on here. Got some spacers, some felt spacers, and really just these latches that go on the end. So let's go ahead and kick this into overdrive really quick, and I will do this in time lapse so you can kind of see it. So we got a couple things going on. Got these put together. Actually wasn't that bad. I got them in there. They just held together with these clips on the end. Man, this thing is a little bit heavy though, I'll tell you. A little bit surprised. Did come with another handle. Not exactly sure what to do with this. I already have a handle on here. Maybe you're supposed to put it down here with this tool. We'll figure that out as we go. But let's go ahead and plug this thing in. out of the clip for the end. This is pretty simple. This works just like the other devices. Just plug it in. And this could take. All right, we got this thing hooked up. Got it hooked to the battery. This thing is going to work great. I tell you what, let's go over to some dirt, this bed right here, and let's get in there and churn it up a little bit. So wow, I did all this in just a couple minutes. I'm about to get ready to put in some mushroom compost and maybe some additional garden soil on top of this. But this is just saving tons of time. Things used to take me hours, or maybe an hour or two. It's gonna take me like 10 minutes now. Let's go ahead and flip onto the compost and get all that stuff in there. All right, YouTube, you can see we've got the mushroom compost built in, and look at these beds. I've got it all tilled up and I got it raked back together. This took me, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 minutes max. I used to be sweating. Now I'm actually getting ready to start planting. Got all these guys over here, they're ready to go in. It is not even 10 a.m. So got my day started. I got this one to go, and then we got one in the back and then one right here, but these are smaller. These are gonna go really fast. I am ecstatic with this unit. You can see here it's got a little bit of wear on it now, and it just clips up everything. I have to come in and actually undo all the roots that it pulled up. But this thing is awesome. It just tills everything up. So I am incredibly pleased with how this went. So again, $139. You can find it at Home Depot. It was in stock. I don't know how long they're going to be there, but it was great. I'm going to utilize it all day. If I run any errors, maybe I'll pop something else up. But this is awesome. I'd highly recommend it. Again, I've been doing a lot of Ryobi products. But hey, if you like this kind of content, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click that bell to be notified of new content when it arrives. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for the time.